You look very lonely, but don't worry, I can help you with that. As long as you are willing to spread my message, everything will be okay. I will make you smile. Your smile is the most precious thing. A chainmail to circulate everywhere with the goal of making everyone smile is a good thing, am I right? It has been years since I started doing this, and I feel very tired, but I will make sure that you will smile at the end. The rain shall make a beautiful red waterfall for us to watch, with a smile on our faces till the end.